News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Brain Research Centre, Fishery Survey of India, Kochi, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, Directorate General Central Industrial Security Force, Vice President Secretariat, SJVN Limited, Central Institute of Psychiatry, Ranchi, National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, FSIP, Jagdishpur, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, and Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, New Delhi. National Brain Research Centre, NBRC, a deemed university and autonomous institute of Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, would like to recruit suitable person for the following position. One post of personal secretary on direct recruitment or deputation including short-term contract. Terms and conditions and application form are available at website www.nbrc.ac.in. Last date of receipt of application is 6th September 2021. Last date for candidates domiciled in northeastern states, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir is 21st September 2021. Government of India, Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Department of Fisheries, Cochin Zonal Base of Fishery Survey of India invites applications for one post of slipway worker grade 2 and one post of carpenter at Fishery Survey of India, Kochi on regular basis. Details of post are available at www.fsi.gov.in and National Career Service Portal. Applications complete in all respects should reach the concerned authority on or before 23rd August 2021. Online applications are invited for various faculty posts which are reopened in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh. Last date of submission for online application is 9th September 2021. Detailed advertisement and other conditions are available on the website www.aimsrishikesh.edu.in. Applications are invited to fill up one post on deputation basis for 4 years in the rank of Assistant Director Accounts in Directorate General Central Industrial Security Force, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Selection shall be made through composite method, promotion or deputation. Last date of receipt of application is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For details, kindly log on to the CISF website www.cisf.gov.in. Applications are invited from eligible officers of central or state government and UTs to fill up one vacant post of assistant in Vice President Secretariat on deputation or promotion basis. Interested and eligible officers who fulfill the eligibility criteria may send their applications duly filled through proper channel to the concerned authority and should reach this office within 45 days from the date of publication of this vacancy notice. Eligibility criteria as per Annexure 1 and application format as per Annexure 2 and other terms and conditions may be obtained from Vice President Secretariat website vicepresidentofindia.nic.in. SJVN Limited, a Mini Ratna Category 1 and Schedule A CPSC under administrative control of Ministry of Power, Government of India, was incorporated on May 24, 1988 as a joint venture of the Government of India and the Government of Himachal Pradesh. With installed capacity of 2016.5 megawatt, SJVN has laid horizontal and vertical growth and diversification plans and is developing itself into a fully diversified transnational power company in all types of conventional and non-conventional forms of energy and in power transmission. Commensurate to its ambitious growth plans and swift growth trajectory, SJVN intends to engage manpower on fixed tenure basis in the disciplines of human resource or finance and accounts, or official language, or civil engineering, or electrical engineering, or mechanical engineering, and invites applications from promising and committed individuals. The engagement shall be purely temporary and on contract basis for an initial period of 3 years. The contract period can further be extended on yearly basis for 2 more years depending upon the work requirement and performance of the individual. Eligible candidates will be required to apply online by visiting SJVN website. For detailed advertisement and applying for the post, please visit SJVN website www.sjvn.nic.in. Closing date for submitting applications through website is 24th August 2021. Central Institute of Psychiatry, Ranchi invites applications for filling up the following posts on deputation, including short-term contract from officers of central or state government or union territories, or central or state government university, or central or state government autonomous institutions, or central or state government public sector undertakings. 1 post of Professor of Clinical Psychology, 1 post of Professor of Psychiatric Social, 1 post of Chief Administrative Officer, and 1 post of Library and Information Officer. The application may be sent through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of issue of this advertisement in Employment News. National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited NCRTC requires executive working in government organization or instrumentality or PSU etc. for 1 post of Senior Executive Corporate Hospitality. Last date of receipt of application will be 20 days from the date of issue of vacancy notice or as mentioned in the detailed vacancy notice on NCRTC website. This is an indicative advertisement. For more detail about experience, eligibility criteria, application link, information regarding addition or deletion of post or disciplines, amendments and corrigendum, kindly visit career section of NCRTC website www.ncrtc.in. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited FSIP Jagdishpur invites applications for 1 post of Senior DGM. Please visit the websites www.bhel.com or careers.bhel.in for downloading complete information about application form, selection process and emolument, etc. All further amendments, revisions, corrigendum, clarifications, etc., if any, shall be published only at the website and not through press advertisements. The closing date for receipt of applications in respect of the following vacancy published in Employment News, 29th May to 4th June 2021, to be filled on deputation, ISTC basis and Serious Fraud Investigation Office, has further been extended up to 31st August 2021. 3 posts of Joint or Additional Director Investigation. It is clarified that only 1 post, that is either Additional Director Investigation or Joint Director Investigation, as the case may be, is to be operated at one time. The particulars of post, eligibility conditions, etc. may be obtained from the website www.sfio.nic.in or www.nca.gov.in. Reference is invited to Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, New Delhi Vacancy Circular of even number dated 11th June 2021, under which applications were invited for filling up the following post of Senior Research Officer in its headquarters at New Delhi on deputation on foreign service terms. The last date for receipt of applications for the post has been extended up to 17th August 2021. Further details and application form can be obtained from the TRI website www.try.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.